I'm just driving down my local area at the moment. In this video I'm going to show you well, I'm going to rectify a slight problem on this Mazda CX-5. It is that every time I drove over the speed bumps, it makes that noise, that clunk noise from the driver's side. Let me just try to replicate the sound again. There's a small bumps. Oh, it's not there. Just find a good spot to make that same noise again. That one again. There you go. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's really annoying on the driver's side. Try it one more time. Going over 20 km an hour. There you go. Okay. But stay with me, guys. Stay tuned. I'm hoping I can fix this. Alright. Okay, I'll see you soon. So I have the both end links removed temporarily. Now I'm just going to simulate a small drive. Okay, stay tuned. And the noise still there. Okay. Okay, I'm just on my local street again. I'm going to drive over speed bumps just to see whether I fixed the issues. Just going over 20 km an hour. No noise. And one more. Going about 20 km an hour again. Speed bumps in front of me. Looks like I have fixed the front end noise. And the culprit that made noise through inside the cabin is this front lower control arm rebushing. I spread some WD-40 along this hole where the LCA join up with the rubber bushing. I just sprayed some here as well as behind it. And prior driving, I've also hit this part with a mallet a couple of times. WD-40 actually works. So the conclusion is, just make sure you guys are doing the double check on the suspension components, such as your ball joint, tie rod ends, inner tie rod, suspension bushings, lower control arm bushings, or whatsoever. So that way you guys don't waste that money on unnecessary spare parts, changing unnecessary parts. And I hope this video will help some of the Mazda owners out there with the Sky Active chassis. Yeah, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you find this useful. It really does help me to make more videos like this. I'm very happy to see you guys are supporting me until today. I hope to see you guys again next time. Alright, peace out.